Okay, sometimes injuries are more life-threatening, and Paul had a question. Can you please explain wrongful death claims and who is able to bring one on behalf of a deceased relative?
Yeah, that is a difficult thing that we deal with quite a bit, unfortunately. But both in Georgia and South Carolina, there's some statutory rules about who gets to bring these claims and what types of claims. And it starts out with if the person that has died, it's known as the decedent, has a spouse, that spouse has the right to bring the wrongful death claim. There are separate claims in Georgia that the estate would actually have to bring, and the probate court usually will appoint an administrator, or if there's a will that appoints a personal representative, then that personal representative would be responsible for actually bringing a claim for the medical bills associated with the person's treatment from the time that they were injured to the time that they died, and also bring a claim for what's called a survival action for the pain and suffering that occurred from the time the injury occurred to the time the person ultimately passed. And sometimes that can be, a negligible claim when the person died a couple of seconds after the injury, and sometimes it can be very significant when a person lingered for a number of days or weeks. But usually it's passed through the statutory probate process, and it goes to the spouse, then the children, unless the children are not of age, and if the children are not of age, it would pass to the decedent's parents. They would be the next people in line to bring the claim, and then from there, brothers and sisters.
Chase, just to kind of just to hit on that, how I always remember it is it's kind of a mathematical formula to me. And sometimes workers' comp is different, but a regular personal injury and a wrongful death is equal, then down, then up, then sideways. So equal, spouse, down, children, up, parents, sideways, your brothers and sisters.
That's right.
That's the order that it goes in.